Hey everyone, it's Mio, and today I'm not doing anything very brand new. I'm just going to show you how I made this pretty much rainbow unicorn slime. I've been obsessed with rainbow and glitter colors for the last couple weeks, and I really wanted to make something very fun. So I decided to create some rainbow slime, which I know YouTube is flooded with, but I just wanted to show you my version of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more videos like these, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And do check out my other social media websites such as Instagram and Twitter, and you'll get previews of videos to come. So let's just go ahead and get this tutorial started, shall we? Slime is very easy to make. You just need two solutions. I'm starting off with a cup of water here, and you're going to need borax solution. I bought this pouch like 2 years ago from Amazon, and you just need to add 1 teaspoon of borax into 1 cup of water. Now if you don't have borax, you can use contact solution, and the only other major ingredient you need is glue. So what I'm using here is clear glue. If you don't have clear glue, you can use regular white glue. I just like clear because I like my glitter slime to be transparent. And go ahead and pour this into a mixing bowl. Now before you move on, let's go ahead and color the glue into the color that you want. So I want my colors to be the rainbow colors. So I started off with pink, and I started off with a little bit of food coloring first and gently added more color until I reached the color I wanted. I wanted these colors to be a very, very light colored pink. And also in this process, I decided to add in glitter. So I picked out very beautiful iridescent glitters to mix into my slime. And this is what your glue will look like when you are done mixing in the color you want. The only thing you have to do now is slowly add in your borax solution or your contact solution and mix up your slime, and you'll notice that the glue will kind of turn into this thicker jelly consistency, and that's pretty much your slime. I will say this is my favorite part of the tutorial, is actually watching the chemical reaction happen and forming the actual slime itself. And you'll notice that whatever sticks on my spoon is the slime, and then the watery substance left behind is just the borax solution. So if you want to actually reuse the borax solution for your next slime, you can. So this is what the pink glittery slime looks like. I love how it turned out. It's beautiful, sparkly, and it's just a lot of fun. Now everyone has their own kind of recipe as to how they want to make the slime. I like mine to not stick on my fingers too much because I want to keep my hands clean, but I also want it to be fun that I can spread it around and play with it. So honestly, I just pour in a lot of borax solution until it makes this consistency. If you want yours to be more slimy, then I suggest you to use not as much borax solution. So this is how the pink slime turned out. As you can see, I love how the slime is transparent so you can see all the glitter throughout the slime. If you're using white glue, you might have to use more glitter than you would for a transparent color. So now I'm just going to go through and create all of the rainbow colors using the exact same technique. I'm going to make an orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple slime the exact same way. So for the interest of time, I'm actually going to fast forward through the process of creating all the colors. And if you want to just sit and watch me slime away, you can. But if you just want to see the final product, you can fast forward to the end. Now once you have all of your rainbow color slimes made, you can start putting them together. Now keep in mind all of the colors I created are currently separate, and the moment you stick them together and you start playing with them, they do meld and mix the colors together. It's less likely with this type of slime in particular. If you use puffy slime, it actually mixes very, very quickly, but this kind of slime doesn't mix as fast so you can preserve the rainbow colors longer. But do keep in mind, if you're very anal about keeping all your colors separated, be very conscientious of how often you mix the colors together. So I went ahead and just put them all together in a rainbow color scheme and just started playing with my slime. So as you guys pretty much can tell, this is a very easy, simple, and fun tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope you like how my slime turned out. I really like how the colors turned out, and I think it's just so pretty, really fun, and I just really love all the sparkles recently. So if you like this video, again, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and do let me know in the comments below what other video tutorials you want to see in the future. Otherwise, I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye!